So if we allow students to make digital versions of graphic organizers for science or for writing or whatever graphic organizer you use, that's completely okay, and they can print it out themselves. So, when I actually, it's kind of interesting when I gave my students an option for this study guide. Would you rather type as you work together, or would you rather handwrite it? Um, 75% of them rather typed it. So they typed in their answers and then they printed it. And, I think they just like it's better organized. They can read it. They can work together on it. So, in order for students to, in order for me to share this with students so that they can make a copy, I don't actually go to the share button. I don't do that. I actually just go up here to the URL and it says edit at the end. And then I'll change it to copy. And so let me select that URL and show you what happens. So this is what our first page looks like. So when I give students that URL with copy at the end, and they enter it into their iPad or computer, this is what shows up. Would you like to make a copy of Investigation 5 Science Study Guide? They click Make a Copy. And then at that point, this is a completely different file. It's a copy. So what they change on this copy it does not change mine. But at the same time, they can type on it, and now they have a copy. So they're not just looking at my original, they actually made their own copy, and this is incredibly beneficial. So they can work by themselves now, or if they want to work with a partner or a group, maybe they want to all edit it so they don't all have to type it. You can teach them to go to that share button and they can enter each other's emails and then hit done or send, and they'll get an email and they can accept that, and then they can all type on the same Google Doc. And so they're just being efficient. They're just increasing their efficiency. So you could do this for study guides, sending out digital. You could even do it for like a novel job. Maybe normally our novel jobs are typed, but if we set it up in this box format as opposed to like these lines, then it makes it easy for students to type. And then, like if students forget their novel job paper at home or at school, then they can go home and they can get a digital copy and they can type it out, and they don't have to waste time. They don't have to waste time typing this structure that we have because we already provided a digital option to them. And so we're just allowing students to access the same material but complete it in a different way. And so we're personalizing the lesson for them by providing them options like this.